Now, Spanish Town Primary are still champions of the Insports Central Region Primary Schools Championship, which came to an end on Wednesday at the Stadium East Field. More in this report.
Spanish Town Primary started the final day 15 points behind leaders Nagahead Primary, but they put in a dominant performance to retain their title. So dominant was their performance that they finished on 376 points. That's 105 more than Nagahead. Greater Portmore further back in third on 225 points. According to Spanish Town Primary's coach Naraya Barrett, he wasn't worried at no point over the 3 days that they would not have won.
Well, this performance we displayed today was a very strong performance. We believe in our team. Yesterday we fall short with the relays, a couple of track batons and so forth, but we know we got this. Aim to pull it off at the end of the day, because the class one boys is our strongest team, so we know it's going to work out.
As for Nagahead, who led after 2 days, they were just not strong enough.
The defense was Spanish Town a better quality athlete, and they came out and do what they have to do.
Spanish Town smashed 4 records on the day towards lifting the title. The first to fall came in the girls' 800 meters open, where Atalia Harriet was all alone while posting 2 minutes 36.95 seconds to surpass the old mark. Moments later, Jamar Amos ran at 2 minutes 18.66 seconds to demolish the boys' 800-meter open record. Spanish Town Primary broke the sprint medley open in 1 minute 53.71 seconds and the 4x200 meters open relay for boys in 1 minute 43.27 seconds. In the field, the imposing Delonte Brown of St. John's Primary broke the record in the high jump open with 1.59 meters, with Akeem Richards of Spanish Town second with 1.52 meters. The Eastern Regional Championships begin at the same venue on Thursday and ends on Saturday.